Did you know there is one specific spot on your car that is basically a magnet for trouble? In fact, nearly 35% of all insurance claims involve this one single part. It is your front bumper. Whether it's a tiny tap in a parking garage or a sudden stop in traffic, the front end is the first line of defense and the most frequent victim. While you might think a little bumper scuff is just a cosmetic issue, modern cars are hiding a secret behind that plastic shell. Today's bumpers are packed with sensitive sensors, cameras, and radar systems that can be knocked out of alignment by even a minor nudge. You've probably seen it happen, or maybe even felt that sickening crunch yourself. It feels like nothing at first, but when you see the bill, it's a total reality check. Fenders, rear bumpers, and side doors are also high-risk zones, especially on the passenger side. This is often a blind spot trap during turns and merges, where visibility is just a bit tougher. Here's something most people overlook. About 60% of damage is cosmetic, but that other 40% involves the structural frame. Even if your car looks fine on the outside, the crumple zone behind the bumper is designed to work exactly once. If it's already compressed, it won't protect you in the next hit. You can't control everyone else on the road, but you can protect your wallet. Maintaining a solid 3-second following distance can slash your risk of a front-end collision by almost half. A few extra seconds of caution can save you thousands in hidden repair costs and keep your safety tech working exactly when you need it most.